Steps to start tracking an Android phone from our app or a web browser. Once you have created your account, log in with your username and password and then tap the plus symbol. Select the option Track any iPhone, iPad or Android phone or tablet. Assign a name to the device and select Add. The next step is to share the download link for the Americaloc Go app with the user of the phone you want to track. To do this, click Copy Download Link for Android and share it via text, WhatsApp or email. Next, tap the Copy Activation Code button and paste it into a WhatsApp message, an email, or a text message to share it with the user of the phone you are going to track. If you close the instructions window, you can reopen it by clicking the Settings button and selecting See Instructions. How to activate and set up the Americaloc Go app on Android devices. First, download the Americaloc Go app and click Install. Next, enter the code shared with you by the person who will track your phone and click Sign In. Carefully read the message titled Battery Optimization, which explains how to disable battery optimization for the app to function properly. Tap Open Settings. Tap Notifications. Please ensure that Remove Permissions if app is unused option is turned off. Enable Allow Notifications. Return to App Info and select Permissions. Then, tap Location and select Allow all the time. Enable the option Use Precise Location. Go back to App Info and select Battery. Select Unrestricted to ensure the app runs smoothly in the background. Please note the menu options might vary depending on your device's manufacturer. Finally, open the app and tap Start Location Sharing. The app will start transmitting the location of the device on which it is installed. On devices from Huawei, Oppo, Xiaomi, and other brands, additional configuration may be required to ensure the app operates seamlessly without interruptions. Let's look at this example of how to disable battery optimization on an Oppo smartphone. Open Settings in your device. Tap Battery. Select More Settings. Tap Optimize Battery Use. Locate and select the app Americaloc Go. Choose Don't Optimize to disable battery optimization for the app. Finally, open the app and tap Start Location Sharing. Now, let's see how to disable battery optimization on a Huawei smartphone. Select Settings. Select Apps. Once again, select Apps. Click on the icon for the drop-down menu. Select Special Access. Choose Battery Optimization. Select the option All Apps. Find and select the app Americaloc Go. Choose Don't Allow. Finally, click OK. Return to the app and tap Start Location Sharing. To ensure the app continues to function even when it is not open on the device, you must enable background activity. On Oppo devices, access the App Info menu and select Battery Usage. Enable Allow Background Activity. On Huawei devices, tap Settings. Select Battery. Tap App Launch. Locate the app Americaloc Go and disable the Manage Automatically option, which will enable the Manage Manually option. Enable all three checkboxes, Auto Launch, Secondary Launch, and Run in background. Finally, click OK. Americaloc Go, the app that turns a smartphone into a powerful GPS tracker.